Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome to the front hall. David Bradley here. I am your host. I have here, might as well put this on. Excuse me. Oh, is that going to fit? I guess it fits kind of. There, it's a cover. All right, I've been off the air for a while. Ugh. I have been. But I'm going to see about getting back in the game, as it were. Ugh. All right, this is something not exactly computer related. What it is the best set of bicycle tools there is. My dad assembled this. I've added to it. Now, do I do much on bicycles? No. But I used to. All kinds of these one size wrenches. Ooh, look at this. It's like a wrench, a box wrench with all kinds of things. Might be handy for other things as well. And these, of course, these little guys were what you'd scoop under the tire and then snag them on a spoke. Oh, little tweezers. How lovely. This is a thing, very handy thing, to fix a chain. You punch out a link and be able to put a thing in to fix a chain, or lengthen a chain, shorten a chain. And there's all kinds of funky old wrenches. Here's another. It's got holes to do things, but also it's for prying and getting the tube off the rim. Oh, here's another one like it. Oh, here's some. These are just pliers, but they're very skinny, which of course helps in getting into tight places. This thing, I have no idea. No clue. What else? Oh, this is a nut and a washer and a bolt, which looks like it might have been something to do with maybe a seat or some sort of accessory. Oh, here's a file that looks like the tang has been filed down to prevent it from being sharp and dangerous. But these are the things, these multi-wrench things. This one's got a bit of a bend. It looks like it's been used extensively. But these are cool. Oh, another thing to get a tire off. That was the main thing, you know. Getting the tire. Oh, here's an old one. I think these might have been called like spoons. But I don't. Oh, there's another one. Oh, yeah. And you would. Oh, that's an interesting thing. Not sure, but everything had a specific purpose. And a lot of these wrenches. Oh, look, this is funky. It's got the tire pulling off thing, but it also has a whole bunch of holes. Oh, here's a clip to keep your pants out of the chain. Another spoon thing. My golly, I've taken so much out, and yet there's so much more. Another funky wrench thing. This would be a spoke tightener. Oh my word. Getting down to the bottom. Another thing. Tire removal spoon thing. Little wrench. See, the other thing, of course, is if you were out biking, you didn't have room to carry a great big toolbox. So, that's why wrenches were often combined into a wrench thing. Ooh, another funky wrench. Into one thing so that you had the sizes you needed. And that's why, little accessory holder thing. You had a little bit of something with you that had a whole bunch of things made specifically by your company for who made the bike with the sizes of the nuts and bolts and things that you had on the bike to get you back on the road. Oh, little wrenches, more tweezers. Here is a thing of rubber. I'm not sure. Oh my God. Now the case here, this is an old ammunition case. Another vintage spoon thing. Other skinny little wrench things. Spoon thing, another accessory holder. Another little wrench, different, but it also has a thing to yank a tire off. This is magical. Spoke tightener. Another little wrench. Oh, what do we got in here? Some sort of nut. Anyway, this case, I remember it is greatly revered. My dad had assembled this, and it was the bicycle repair case. And indeed, it had. Well, if it didn't have everything you needed, it had almost everything you needed. It did. Where did I put my other phone? I guess it's charging. I should maybe take a picture of all this, but I don't think I will. Now, the other thing, of course, is putting it all back in is to shake it to make it fit. What does this say on it? Porter cable. Oh. This would have been probably actually a wrench that went with a lawnmower. But Porter cable made all kinds of things, or they branded all kinds of things. They did. All right. Shake. Keep things going in. Oh yeah. One of my favorite wrenches here. Well, this one, this one's made by CCM. It is proudly stamped into it. And this one, well, it's just Canada. Another funky thing with all kinds of things, including a tiny little thing at the end for a tire to be removed, or attempted to be removed. I wonder if this is going to go well. This one, Canadian Tire Corp Limited, 73-6032, I think. Supercycle. I don't know who they had make the bicycles for them, but certainly that was part of the toolkit. All right, now these could be used for all kinds of things, but this is the bicycle collection. And I do believe I'm going to get everything back in here, and I will see. Who knows? Maybe. Possibly. Oh. I'll see if I keep this or not. And of course, somewhere on the floor is a nut, but I don't know what it was possibly off of. Anyway, I will see. So, old ammunition case, Now, bicycle toolkit extraordinaire. Too heavy, I think, to carry on a bicycle, but certainly something that, I have an old Harley Davidson Cervicar. This would be something that it would not be a bad thing to keep in the trunk. Mostly if we came upon somebody with a broken down bicycle. Indeedy. Anyway, well, I'm going to continue to do things here in the front hall, but I am planning, like this area is going to got to be cleared off. This pet, I did write to the fellow I got it from, and he said, yeah, there could be some corrosion on there. So I think what I'm going to do because the monitor thing comes and goes, I think I'm going to do some more deoxit and also take a brush to the connectors, being very careful. A non-conductive brush, because of course I'm afraid of high voltage. Anyway, I want to get this table cleared off so I can do things. If you see here, there's some disk drives in front of me, 1541s. I got to test and figure out what's what. I do indeed. I do. So, and the other thing is, I'm planning on resurrecting the pool room, and who knows what else, because I want to have specific areas set up to work on things. And there was somebody who wrote recently, said looking for 128 content. Well, yeah, it would be good to have a place set up that I could tinker on the 128. Anyway, this, you know what I think I'm going to do? Oh, I'm going to set it over here. I'm going to take it to the one car, so at least I know it's there. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now. David Bradley signing off.